Hey, what's good everyone? My name is Remy and I am a 16-year-old drummer based in Vancouver, and I've been playing for around 8 years now. And I started with drumming and also played classical percussion, but I am also founders of multiple local bands, and along the side I am an independent artist who is working on some original pieces on drums. So I proudly play Collision 5B custom drumsticks, these, and what I loved about them, because they got that perfect balance of strength and control, especially when I'm stretching between tight grooves and explosive fills. These sticks really feel like an extension to me. So, there are many reasons I loved about being part of the Collision family. Firstly is the durability of the sticks. These sticks hold up even through one of my longest gigs, which is unbelievable. And second, it's the community. It is amazing to be connected with so many inspiring drummers around the world. And thirdly, it's the support from the family. And what the company does is that they genuinely care about their artists, and that means a lot to me as a young drummer. So today I'll be playing a tune with my uh, school jazz band. It is called Honolulu, and I'll be using my signature Collision drumsticks. So let's get into it.